Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for March 25th of 2025 is titled "A Blue Banded Blood Moon." So what do we see here? Well, here we see images from the total lunar eclipse of last week. And that occurred when the moon passed into Earth's shadow, blocking out its light. And we see three different images at different stages of the eclipse. And you'll notice a very distinct blue band in between the illuminated portion of the sun. If we're looking at the top image, you can see the very top portion of that is the moon. That is the moon being directly illuminated by the sun. The bottom portion is the part that is in Earth's shadow. And if Earth had not an atmosphere, it would be completely blocked out. It would be gone. The middle region gives us an interesting blue color. And that's a little bit different. And you can see the band of it there. And then you can see it at the top of the moon. And then it essentially disappears as the moon goes fully into Earth's shadow in the very bottom image. Now, the blue color that we're seeing is caused by Earth's atmosphere as well. So is the red. But the blue is caused by the ozone in Earth's atmosphere. So as it does that, as it passes through those upper regions of Earth's atmosphere, it passes through the ozone layer in the stratosphere. And what the ozone does, ozone is very good at absorbing the different types of light. And in this case, it absorbs the red light more so than the blue, allowing the blue light into the edge of Earth's shadow there. So we're able to see that distinct blue band where the red light gets absorbed by ozone, but the ordinary blue light is still able to pass through. Now, as you get deeper into the shadow, then you're looking through the rest of Earth's atmosphere, which is very good at absorbing and scattering the blue light, but not so good at the red. And we notice this when we watch a sunrise or sunset. When the sun is very low on the horizon, it is very distinctly red. Now, of course, the sun doesn't change color. The sun is exactly the same no matter where it is in the sky. It is all an atmospheric effect caused by the light going through Earth's atmosphere. And as the shorter wavelengths are scattered out, they then come from all directions, giving us a blue sky, whereas the red light still makes it straight through, giving that setting sun, for example, a very red color as it touches down to the horizon. And if you watch the sequence, you can actually see it go from a yellowish color down to a orange and then a red and then a very deep red as that sun gets closer and closer to the horizon. So here we can see a multi-banded moon with three different colors, kind of a grayish color at the top, the blue band in the middle, and the red down below. And we can see the progression in these three images from top to bottom as the moon moved deeper and deeper into Earth's shadow. So that was our picture of the day for March 25th of 2025. It was titled "A Blue Banded Blood Moon." We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be Star Factory. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.